My name is Joe Crosby. I'm a mechanic at Fanatik Bike Co, and I ride an Evil Calling. I've got a Fox 36 up front at 150 millimeters of travel, up from 140 as Evil suggests. That way I get a little more slack. I've got roughly a 66-degree head angle, combined with my 435 millimeter chainstay length. Gives me a nice slack bike, still climbs well, but is stable on some faster trails and steeper descents. In the back, got the Shox Super Deluxe trunnion mount. Offers a little bit more supple off the top with that trunnion, with those bearings in there. As far as drivetrain goes, I've got XTR shifter and derailleur, some Saint brakes on here with 203 millimeter rotors to really help me slow down when I need it. And as far as the cockpit, I've got the Renthal 35 millimeter stem paired up to a carbon Renthal fat bar at 780 millimeter width. Again, my name's Joe Crosby from Fanatik Bike Co here in Bellingham, and we'll see you out in the trails.